Alright, guys, we're here with Mario on his S1000RR. Look at this dude. And we've got a bunch of riders with us. We've got a Panigale V2, got another V2 bliss, and we've got an FZ09 from Yamaha. So, and we're gonna go through one of our canyons. It's a beautiful day. Look at all the colors. You're gonna see a bunch of colors now. And I'm gonna be riding behind a couple of my buddies so that I can film them. But we had some really good fun coming up here. Oh, great. Now we have a truck in the way. All right. These two are pretty accomplished riders, so they are extremely comfortable on two wheels. But guys, it's important to note that we all have safety gear, not just the helmets. I mean, we all have light carbon fiber helmets, but it's important to have the right jacket. We have leather jackets with shoulder protectors and spine guards. We have got pants that are either made of heavy denim or leather, and then we have knee guards, so knee protectors, either carbon fiber or hard rubber or something that protects your knee. And most important, a lot of people ignore this, is your shoes. We have shoes that go all the way up to the calf, straight. It's also important to wait for your buddies and enjoy the canyons a little bit, but when you're in the canyons, be careful, look out for cars, look far ahead. Woo-hoo! Braking is super important. Focus on braking right. Alright guys, I forgot about gloves. Make sure you have gauntlet gloves, if possible. But smaller ones are okay as long as you see my knuckles have a shield, and I've got protectors for my palm in case you slide. Your hands are what you'll use a lot, and you want to make sure they're protected. So with all of that, you'll be safe on the road. Of course, there are a few other variables that are very personal, like your ability to ride. Oh, look at these ugly guys. Your ability to ride, the condition of your bike, tire is very important. Beautiful.